this video, we're going to show you how to view and edit lookup tables in the input processing for your readings. These are often used for creating level measurements in gallons, full, percent full, and empty. So from your tank grid, you can go to one of these and expand it. Select on your provision, select on your full reading, for example, and you can scroll down and see that this is using the lookup table to translate from the raw measurement air gap in inches to an output of gallons. A couple things with this tank. One, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see the air gap measurement is going to 0 at 77 inches, and as you move up in the tank, the gallons is getting greater. Here at the 9 to 8 inches transition, it goes to 974, which is the full capacity of this tank. And then this is showing you that you have a riser on this tank, an 8-inch riser. So reading the air gap from 0 to 8 inches is just a steady state full, and then it begins to lower as you move beyond the riser into the tank. We go back to another example. We can look at percent full. Very similar. It's using a lookup table as well. The air gap in inches is translated from 100%. At that 8 to 9 inch transition, it begins to lower in percentage all the way to the bottom of the tank. This is the same tank, obviously, and so it's transitioning to 0 at 77 inches as well. The empty gallons, very similar, except in reverse. At the top of the tank, it is 0 empty gallons. So this is providing a calculation if you want to know how much you can deliver to the tank. This is showing the gallons in the airspace of the tank. And so as you go down in the measurement of the air gap or to the bottom of the tank, this transitions at that 77 mark to a full capacity of empty of the tank, again of 974 gallons. If you have tanks that are similar to each other, maybe you're creating new tanks, or maybe you've found some adjustments you want to make to your lookup table, you can come in here, scroll to the top, and you can select and copy this with Control-C, move to your new tank, and you can go ahead and paste in the new lookup table. Or if you have lookup tables that you find on the internet for your tank, or if you create a lookup table in an Excel spreadsheet, you can copy those and paste those in here for the lookup tables. Maybe one more that we'll show you is on temperature. This uses a little different processing. On the temperature, it comes in natively in Celsius, and we use this adjust input, and we do a standard equation to convert this from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So that covers us for how to use lookup tables as well as any other input processing. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on TankScan.com. Thanks for joining.